Hey guys, it's Jono Mazzano here. I hope you guys are doing well today or tonight. Did you know you can now use WhatsApp on your Apple Watch? That's right. So basically, this app didn't actually exist. But in order to do that, I've noticed that you gotta have the WhatsApp Beta installed on your iPhone. Okay, I'm using the iOS 26, but I'll show you how it works. But first, download the WhatsApp Beta. Now, after you downloaded the WhatsApp Beta on your iPhone, you have to go to your settings on your iPhone where you can actually activate it. I'll show you how it works. Let's go. The first things first, you gotta download WhatsApp Messenger as a beta. Okay, so it won't work if you don't have this. Now, once you downloaded the beta app, so you gotta go to your settings and then look for the WhatsApp. So this is the my settings. Okay, it says Jonas Apple Watch. All the way down, you'll be able to see WhatsApp. It says installed on Apple Watch. So from here, you're just gonna have to tick or click on WhatsApp. Now it says here show app on Apple Watch. If I actually deactivate this, it won't show on my watch. I can install it and then that's it. It will show on my watch. Okay, it's very simple to do. I gotta install it. So now it will install on my Apple Watch. That's already downloaded. I'll show you on my Apple Watch what it looks like. So on my Apple Watch, I'm just gonna show you where the WhatsApp app. So as you can see, I'm just looking for it and you can see WhatsApp is there already, as you can see. So it's pretty cool. Let me know if you have this feature or not. So I just actually installed this yesterday, but anyway, if you have any question, let me know. Cheers, bye.